what it's like. International Leg Day! So today we're going to be doing squats.
It's not really, is it?
Squat racks. I just want to eat good, lift good, punch hole in wall.
Do you want to
Cal won't be strong.
So if you want to do 10 by 10, yeah?
Yeah.
You can do your, you know, your ones in between my longer rest periods.
Right.
Right.
Left. I hate my life right now.
You hate your life. I've got to drive out of this shit.
Right. Stay tuned for more.
Pre-workout!
Oh fuck, I forgot about the fucking pre-workout, didn't I?
Romantic mood, man. Believe.
Oh, you... Why?
It wasn't me, it was a
my
poltergeist!
God, can you stop? Can you... Oh my... You're literally about to like make it... Oh my God, that feels great. Right, are you ready? Yeah! A good training session with Cal, I don't know what the fuck it is. So we did one lap as a warm-up, a race actually.
Oh, this is massive.
So anyway, we did 100 meter sprint as a warm-up because we ran there and back, making it 100. About the science anyway, so yeah, I did 10 sets of 10 reps.
It's quick math, man.
But the way I did it, because David was doing 5 sets, I did 2 sets with a 30-second rest in between, whilst Dave was working on more
5 by 5.
5 by 5 to see our statistics. And
Statistical.
Yeah. On that beautiful note,
yeah,
have a good evening, man. Right?
Yeah.
Catch y'all soon.